I'm Meenakshi Upreti. We're starting the bulletin with a big breaking news coming in. This is the aftermath of the political battle over the Jantar Mantar, the capital stir we had seen yesterday. The war of words, politics, is intensifying. What's happening, the latest on ground? We have JP Nadda, who has reached the RML hospital. He's going to meet the students who had been injured during the protest. Now, later in the day, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, I believe, is also going to be meeting the injured protesters. It's both government, both opposition who are stepping up their outreach following the clashes. So that's the latest which is coming in. Shefali joining us live on the broadcast. We also have Sabyasachi and Bhavtosh who are live with us. Shefali, if I could come to you first. The war of words, the political battle over the capital clashes, the stir which we had seen yesterday seems to be intensifying. We have both the government and the opposition making an outreach, reaching out to the students who had been injured during the protest. Take us through the latest. I believe JP Nadda at the moment is at the RML hospital. Shefali, can you hear us?
Currently, JP Nadda is at RML hospital where he is meeting the injured protesters. As in the morning also we saw different leaders from different parties are visiting this hospital where all the injured protesters are admitted, where we know that yesterday what happened during the protest with the scuffle between the police personnel and the protesters, which led to injuries of many. And currently what we are learning is Rahul Gandhi has also come here. We will show you visuals. I request my video journalists, you can see the cars coming in. This is the car. You can see now Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is in the car and coming. You can see KC Venugopal, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. All three leaders have come to meet the injured protesters at RML. You can see the visuals right on Times Now screen where he is going inside and now will meet the protesters who have been injured during the protests yesterday at Jantar Mantar. Right now we are showing you the visuals of Congress leaders at RML hospital.
We have obviously simultaneous developments happening. Let's understand, viewers, what's happening. So in the aftermath of the clashes, the visuals obviously time-stamped all from yesterday. In the aftermath of those clashes, we have both JP Nadda and Rahul and Priyanka who are reaching out to the injured students, and we have latest visuals on the ground. We will be talking about the broader probe, the politics, all of that around it. But, Shefali, we are staying with the visuals right now. Take us through how both the sides, the government and the opposition, are making an outreach, reaching out to the injured students. Okay, Shefali, I'm not sure if you can hear us. I believe the network, there is a little patchy. But if you could hear us, we were asking you this question about the latest visuals coming in. We have two sets of visuals, one JP Nadda, other Rahul Gandhi, both of them making an outreach, trying to reach out to the injured students.
Right. Rahul Gandhi, along with KC Venugopal and Priyanka Gandhi, have arrived at RML hospital. We have shown the visuals on live about his arrival, and currently right now he is meeting the injured protesters inside while the RML staff is asking media people to leave to vacate this particular compound. But as you can see, we have shown visuals on live of Congress leaders coming here to meet the injured protesters. You can see there's a full, we'll try and show you more visuals, but right now leaders have gone inside to meet the injured protesters. Let me tell you, there was a scuffle that took place between the police personnel and the protesters during the protest at Jantar Mantar of Cockroach Janata Party Sansad March, and that's when most of them, including police personnel and protesters, both got injury. And right now in the morning also we saw Arvind Kejriwal coming here and meeting these injured protesters. Later, we saw JP Nadda coming. Dipendra Hooda also came to RML to meet these protesters. Now we are seeing the senior Congress leadership, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and KC Venugopal at RML Hospital.
All right, so those are the latest visuals which we are getting at the moment. We are seeing Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi making an outreach when it comes to the students in the aftermath of that clash. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi viewers have reached the RML hospital. Also, what is happening simultaneously is JP Nadda is at that hospital. High drama, as we were telling you, viewers, is continuing at Jantar Mantar as well, because students and protesters are continuing. This protest is entering its 24th day. We saw a lot of, dangal, if I could call it that, yesterday. Delhi, dramatic protests, capital clashes, the police action, removal of the stage, tents. Protesters are back at the site. They are trying to show their presence again. They have been raising slogans from the morning. I believe we have Sabyasachi who is live with us. Sabyasachi, if I could come to you, take us through what's happening far as the on-ground situation in Jantar Mantar is concerned.
Well, see, right now we are live from Vijay Chowk, and let me show you the visuals around. You can see the massive deployment of the Delhi police towards the left, and they have put out buses to detain the Member of Parliament. Now, there are reports going on that the opposition MPs could march towards Rashtrapati Bhavan, but there are reports that President is currently not here, and that is the reason that this particular march could get postponed. Meanwhile, the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, along with the other opposition parties, they have met the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla. Now, one point that the opposition have made it extremely clear is that they would not let the House function until and unless there is discussion regarding the police brutality, is what the opposition calls, that happened yesterday in the national capital. Several of the students have been injured, and the opposition say that student and youth are the future of this country, and the present government is anti-youth. Meanwhile, we have also seen outreach from the central government side. Today, during the NDA meeting, a big message has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to all the MPs of the BJP as well as the NDA regarding the Jan Sampark, that these MPs have to go out to reach the public and talk about the work that the government has done regarding the youth, regarding the student, as well as in the
you're right,
sector
we
of
did highlight obviously in great detail what the Prime Minister has had to say, how the government has also made an outreach to the students. The message obviously coming in from the side of the Prime Minister is that the government stands with the youth. BJP emphasizing and highlighting that message after we heard Kiran Rijiju in that press conference talking about what happened in the NDA parliamentary meet. But we have a breaking news coming in that injured CRPF personnel has also spoken to Times Now. The injured CRPF personnel has spoken about the violence during the clashes. She said security forces were trying to protect women protesters and maintain law and order. Listen in.
सर फ्रैक्चर हुआ है।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ पे प्लेस थी मैम कल?
जंतर मंतर में।
मैम, स्टोन पेल्टिंग से लगी चोट कैसे लगी?
हाँ, स्टोन पेल्टिंग, लड़कियों को बचाते वक्त स्टैम्पेड में स्टोन पेल्टिंग कर रहे थे वो लोग।
हाँ।
उसके बाद जब एक्शन हुआ तो वो लोग भागने लगे, भागने में वो लड़कियां गिर गई थी उसमें।
हाँ।
बट पीछे से जूते फेंके जा रहे थे और बोतल, पत्थर, कांच से फेंक रहे थे, तो उसमें से पत्थर आके लगा इस पे।
इनिशियली मैम जो स्टूडेंट्स को आप लोगों ने बोला था डिस्पर्स होने के लिए फर्स्ट ईयर शेल्ड के जो राउंड थे, उसमें से जो नॉन होलिगन टाइप वाले थे वो तो भाग गए थे। ये सेकंड राउंड काफी देर तक हम में करते रहा था क्या?
हाँ सर, वो इंटेंशनली था कि पुलिस प्रशासन को भड़काना है, प्रोवोक करना है, बैरिकेडिंग तोड़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है।
हाँ।
किसी भी हाल में जो है ब्रीच करना है लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस को।
तो यू बीइंग ए फीमेल ऑफिसर, आप बोले थे, आपकी भी नहीं सुन रहे थे लोग?
आप थोड़ा तेज बोलेंगे सर?
मैम बोल रहा हूँ कि यू बीइंग ए फीमेल ऑफिसर, आप फीमेल ऑफिसर थी, फिर भी आपकी नहीं सुन रहे थे लोग?
नहीं, काफी हद तक जो है मैं रिक्वेस्ट बहुत किया इन लोगों से ना। मैं सुबह रिक्वेस्ट कर रही थी, हाथ जोड़ जोड़ के बोला कि प्रोटेस्ट करना शांति से करो। आप यहाँ जहाँ पे आपको बैरिकेडिंग कर दे, इसके आगे आपको नहीं जाना अलाउड है। मैंने उनको कन्फाइन किया था वहीं जंतर मंतर में कि आपको इससे आगे अलाउड नहीं, परमिशन नहीं है आपको। दिल्ली पुलिस भी वहीं थी साथ में ही, हमारे डीसीपी सर थे, एसपी सर थे, साथ में ही थे सब। तो उन्होंने बताया था उनको, वो उन्होंने भी लाउड स्पीकर से अनाउंसमेंट किया कि आपका जो मजमा है ये इलीगल है और आप बिना परमिशन के इतने लोग जो है यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं, शहर पूरा चक्का जाम हो जाएगा, आपके बाहर जाने से पूरी लैंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन खराब हो सकती है
जी,
इसीलिए फोर्स डिप्लॉयड है। और फोर्स आपसे निवेदन करती है कि आप यहीं बैठे रहे, धरना प्रदर्शन यहीं करें, आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते आप। मानसून सत्र चल रहा है संसद में, तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़े, बट वो माने नहीं।
तो आपको हाथ में फ्रैक्चर आया है, तो स्टैम्पीड हो गई थी। लड़कियों को भी कोई शील्ड नहीं कर रहा था वहाँ पे। देयर वाज नो वन हु वाज प्रोटेक्टिंग द वुमेन आल्सो।
नहीं सर, मेरे पास तो प्रोटेक्शन रहती है ना, पूरी टीम है सर मेरे साथ, तो पूरा ट्रूप्स थे ना।
जी जी।
वो पत्थर हो रहा है तो उसमें पत्थर में तो देखो स्टैम्पेड होती भी,
ठीक,
कोई चेहरा नहीं होता सर, वो किस दिशा में भागेगा, किस क्या मोड़ ले लेना, क्या वो कर बैठेंगे, कुछ होता नहीं ना। वो उनकी इंटेंशंस भी कुछ पता नहीं होती, किस तरफ से क्या फेंक देंगे, क्या कर देंगे, उनका क्या इंटेंशन है।
जी मैम।
लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के सब बहुत सारे गलत लोग उसमें मिक्स थे।
All right, Bhavtosh is live with us. Bhavtosh, we are hearing, what the RAF, CRPF personnel and the cops have had to say. The Delhi police obviously registering multiple cases as well. Far as yesterday's vandalism is concerned, protesters say that they had also been lathi charged by the cops. About 60 protesters injured, 100 plus cops injured. Take us through, what each side is claiming and what is the ground reality. Where does the probe stand at the moment?
Well, as of now, the police have filed 6 FIRs in this case, in which police have claimed that security personnel have been injured. They have also said that there has been vandalization, property has been destroyed, and that public servants have been obstructed from performing their duty. The protesters have also said that at least 60 of them have been injured. They have said that there are testimonies of doctors as well as their own fellow protesters in which they have claimed that police used excessive force and high-handedness, in which several of them have been injured. Police have said that these injuries are not life-threatening, but this has been disputed by protesters, in which they have said policemen not wearing their nameplate clearly shows that there was some kind of direction that was given, which resulted in this kind of injuries. So the police have said that 6 FIRs have been filed, and they will in fact record the statement of every one of them, including those who have been injured. One has to wait and see what will happen as far as this investigation is concerned. 27 persons have been in this case have been detained. So far, no arrests have taken place, but it's likely by evening there would be few arrests in these cases.
A big update you're bringing us that we are expecting more arrests far as the probe is concerned. Of course, do stay with us, viewers. There are multiple developments happening simultaneously. We were taking you through what the police has had to say, where does the probe stand, but also what's happening is that there is an outreach which has been made by both the government and the opposition. As we were bringing you the details, it's not just JP Nadda, but also Rahul Gandhi, who is meeting the injured students. I believe my colleague Niyamika is live with us. She is bringing us all the updates related to the same. Niyamika, far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, Gen Z, Chhatron Ki Goonj has been his pet project, that big issue. Certainly Rahul Gandhi right now meeting the students, only taking sort of that thought process forward, isn't it?
This is basically a solidarity message which the Congress party is trying to give to the youth of this country. We have seen that how yesterday as well there was a video statement which was being released by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, in which he had criticized the BJP government at center that by making this allegation that this is basically a brutality which is being done by the police personnel against the protesting youth of this country, and that is the only reason why even in today's meeting which the leader of opposition had a discussion with the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mr. Om Birla, he had basically demanded that there should be a proper discussion which needs to take place within the House so that the government should also reply within the parliament that why this kind of an action was being taken by the Delhi police yesterday. Right now we are standing here at RML Hospital where Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well as KC Venugopal have gone inside. They are meeting the injured students here. We have seen that how firstly it was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal who had also come here and after that now it is Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and KC Venugopal who have come to meet the students who have got injured, severely injured in yesterday's protest because of the lathi charge which was being done by the police yesterday. However, we have seen that how the Congress party and specifically Rahul Gandhi has been targeting the BJP government at center, saying that this shows the anarchist mindset of the BJP, the way in which these kinds of actions were being taken by the Delhi police yesterday, the kind of attacks which were being made by the protesting youth. The Congress party is repeatedly making this demand from the BJP government and center that they should have a dialogue with with the youth of this country, because they are basically seeking a resignation from the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan because he has completely failed in fulfilling his responsibilities. That is the claim which is being made by the Congress party, and even stating that whatever has happened in the meetings between the Union Home Minister Amit Shah along with Mr. JP Nadda or even with Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, all of these details should be given out by the government.
So that's the latest which is happening on the ground after Nadda, Rahul Gandhi also, meeting the injured. Niyamika, to stay with us, because as we were telling you viewers, this is a fast developing story. There is on one hand outreach far as the students, the injured students are concerned, both JP Nadda, Rahul Gandhi, meeting the injured. We have more updates coming in. Mumbai police have initiated a major crackdown following the CJP protest across the city. 8 FIRs registered at different police stations. 900 people have been booked for allegedly violating law and order, staging protests without permission. Largest case has been registered at Shivaji Park police station. We have more updates coming in. 600 plus people named Paris. Is that correct? Take us through the action which has now been initiated by the Mumbai police. Paras, if you can hear us, take us through the latest action which has been taken by the Mumbai police. I believe a case, or rather Mumbai police have registered 3 separate cases in connection with the protest, the CJP protest which had been held there. Give us all the details on the same.
Rightly said, this is a major police action by the Mumbai police on after the CJP protest. There are total number of 8 FIR which has been registered across the city, and total over 900 people has been booked in this entire scenario. Mumbai police has launched a major crackdown following the CJP protest held across the city. There are more than 900 people which have been booked for allegedly violating law and order, holding protests without permission. The highest number of cases has been registered at Shivaji Park police station, where over 600 people have been named in the FIR. Mahim police station has booked more than 100 people. Dadar police station have registered a case against over 70 people. Sion police station has booked more than 40 people. Worli police station registered a case against 21 people. With that, Kala Chowki police station has booked more than 20 people. Bhuiwara police station also booked more than 20 people, and Wadala TC police
All right,
station.
so this is big action, Paras, which you are bringing us, which has been taken by the Mumbai police. Viewers, Mumbai police registering 3 separate cases in connection with the CJP protest. These were held at multiple places. Cases registered, as Paras was bringing us the details, against more than 50 protesters. This is all the source-based information my colleague Paras was bringing us. The aftermath of the protest, the probe, the politics, and the entire debate around the same. That's going to be our top focus through the course of the day. Stay with Times Now.